Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product I've been purchasing for a while. They are Kirkland Signature Premium Dishwasher Packs. Super easy to use. I actually have I have a Costco card, so Kirkland is the official brand of Costco. Costco owns it, but it's great for people that don't have a Costco card. They could just order this online. It's just awesome because it comes with 115 dishwasher packs. It literally lasts forever. I think that I've had this particular container since last September, and we're in September now, so almost a year. They work really great. So they work great on grease, coffee, wine, eggs. You get sparkling clean, streak-free dishes, and they are easy and convenient. I tried the gel. I'm trying to think of the brands. There was a brand that I used that every time I washed it was a gel. Every time I washed the dishes, like, they wouldn't come clean. The powders, gels, I don't really like. I love the dishwasher packs because they're so compact and just easy to use, and like no mess, no fuss. I think it's 100% like more. I just think it makes more sense financially to buy these. Like I said, they last forever, and it's just me and my husband in the house, but like we do have a company occasionally and stuff, so I would say we run the dishwasher like twice a week or something like that, and it just literally lasts so long. So in my dishwasher I'm going to show you, I have like this, sorry, it's like messy because it needs to be started. I have the pre-wash and the main wash, so they fit in both. So I guess technically you could put one pack in the pre-wash and one pack in the regular wash, but you don't have to. Like, they really come clean from one of these. The only issue I have is, and I think it's really not the fault of the dishwasher packs, sometimes like peanut butter or like cat food, like wet cat food, will get like stuck on something I'm washing, and then it's like, especially like the knives, or it's the silverware really, like the plates always come clean, the cups, everything. Sometimes the dishwasher could be a little tricky, but I don't think it's this. I really just feel like it's the dishwasher. So these are phosphate free, chlorine free, safe for septic systems. They contain a rinse aid, a grease fighter power with enzyme action power of activated bleach, and attack the toughest stains. Do not let silverware contact stainless steel before dishwashing. Ensure dishes are dishwasher safe before washing, and consult manufacturer's directions. For hard water areas, use an additional rinse aid to reduce spotting. Product may settle in the tub during transportation. Imported by Costco Wholesale Corporation in Seattle, Washington. Made in Canada. Every Kirkland Signature product is guaranteed to meet or exceed the quality standards of the leading national brands. If you're not completely satisfied, your money will be refunded. Directions. 1 pre-measured dishwasher pack, 1 wash equals 1 wash load. Do not cut, puncture, or otherwise open pack. It will dissolve in water. Handle packs only with dry hands. Dry dishwasher's closable dispenser cup if wet. Place 1 pack in the dispenser cup and close cover. Reseal this container after each use. Ingredients: sodium carbonate, non-ionic surfactant, sodium percarbonate, sodium silicate, and enzymes. Storage. Store it in a cool, dry place out of reach and sight of children. Keep sealed. Do not freeze. Packs fit in most dishwasher dispenser cups. So I just have like your standard Whirlpool dishwasher, like nothing fancy. I'm just gonna open this up. Just pop this open. Super easy. To open, pull tabs, lift. To open, pull, and lift tabs on both sides. And then here's inside. I love this container. It's just like so easy to store. I store it like underneath my kitchen cabinet. This is what the pack looks like. Super small, fits in the palm of my hand. See, it could fit in the pre-wash, just to show you, which is smaller, but I don't think I need it. I washed maybe like 1 time with the pre-wash and I didn't see any difference. Like, I put 1 in pre-wash and 1 in the main wash. So what's hard to come out are like these knives and stuff, like the silverware. I'm not really expecting it to all come out clean. Like, that's peanut butter, just like the stuck on stuff I feel like is harder to come out. than other things. But yeah, so I've been really happy with these, and I will definitely continue to buy them. And like I said, this is a year old, right? I use the dishwasher once or twice a week, usually twice a week, and look how many I have left. Like half the container still. So like one of these is good for 2 years, depending on how often you use the dishwasher, of course, but just to show you guys. So awesome product, and it has a lemon citrus scent, so it actually smells really pretty without being like perfumey or overpowering. So I hope you guys try out Kirkland Premium Dishwasher Packs, Automatic Dishwasher Detergent, and I hope you love them. Thanks for watching, guys.